Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Bitcoin's price has been showing signs of uncertainty lately, and it seems like we're stuck in a bit of a range battle. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've been keeping a close eye on this market, and today we want to dive into what this means for our long-term investors. So, let's start by taking a look at the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin's price has been consolidating within a relatively tight range over the past week or so. Now, in hindsight, we could say that was a pretty normal consolidation period after its recent surge. But what's interesting is how this latest move compares to the broader market. Take a look at the S&P 500, for example. That index has been on fire lately with a strong upward trend that shows no signs of slowing down. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's price has been more sideways, almost as if it's trying to figure out where it wants to go next. This is exactly what we mean by range-bound. It's like the market is waiting for some catalyst to break through and start moving in a new direction. Now, one thing that does stand out is that this latest move has seen Bitcoin edge down slightly. But here's the thing, even though its price has dropped, it still hasn't broken below previous support levels. And when you look at the bigger picture, that's actually a pretty bullish sign. It means that Bitcoin's bulls are still in control, and they're just waiting for the right moment to strike. Of course, we can't predict with certainty what will happen next. But what I do think is important is understanding the bigger context here. We've been hearing a lot about inflationary pressures and interest rate hikes from central banks lately. And it's no secret that these factors have been weighing on the market as a whole. So, if we're going to talk about Bitcoin breaking out of its range, I want to emphasize that this isn't just about price movement. It's also about the underlying fundamentals. Are there fundamental reasons why Bitcoin needs to break above or below $X? Or is this simply a matter of sentiment and speculation? At Bitcoin Bulletin, we're always looking for answers like these. We believe that by understanding both the technicals and the fundamentals, we can make more informed decisions about where this market might be headed next. So, what's the verdict here? Will Bitcoin break out of its range anytime soon? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. With our continued coverage and analysis at Bitcoin Bulletin, you'll always have access to the most up-to-date insights and perspectives on all things Bitcoin.